Hey, what's up, guys? It's Craig Syracusa, Walk in Faith. Happy Friday. It is August 21st. If you want to follow along, your full potential. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I set you apart. That's Jeremiah. Many people wonder, God, can you really use me? Can you really make something of my life? Yes, friend, he can. No matter how old or how young you are, the Father has wonderful plans for you and is even at this moment training you by his Spirit. How can you know this for sure? Because it is Christ. You are God's beloved child. You have been given the spirituality, miraculously opportunity to have a personal relationship with God of the universe. And because of that, not your strengths, intelligence, or talents, rather your relationship with him. He can work through you in astounding ways that will thrill your soul. You may not understand why the Lord directs you on a certain path, but if you are willing to obey him and learn his ways, you will gain insight into his heart. Then his Spirit will enable you to carry out all the good works he's planned for you to accomplish, even before you were born. Father, mold me, lead me, and use me to fulfill your purpose. Remember your purpose for me in his life. Amen. In his presence, discover your full potential. So this is sort of like a recap of what we always speak about. It's according to his purpose. So regardless of what you know, who you know, your talent, your skill, your height, your weight, it doesn't matter, right? God gives you exactly what you need, right? When we discover what we need, what our purpose is, we just expect that it's going to happen tomorrow. And what's funny is when we talk about a season, right away our mind says a season is 3 months, 4 months. A season could be a year. It could be 2 years. I mean, we're going through a season now. This pandemic we're going on 4 or 5 months, and it doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon. But during this time, we have developed and increased our relationship with Christ, hopefully. And we've learned that it doesn't matter what society says, it doesn't matter what anyone says, it doesn't matter what your skills are, your talents are, it all comes from God. The strength that we have, the relationship we have, all comes from God. And if we want to reach our full potential, if we want to be fulfilled, we need to continuously build a relationship with Christ. Then you will be fulfilled. And we can't sit there and ask people and try to get affirmation from people. The only person we really need to build a relationship with is Christ. So continue to do it. Continue to build a relationship and know that God has you in the palm of his hand, and he will get you to exactly where you need to be. Just keep focusing on Jesus Christ and don't worry about what society says. Until next time, always remember you have the ability to inspire and evangelize through your words and actions.